No, they don't have to read it, honey. You can read it to them.
You want me to read it to you? Oh.
Uh-oh. Snap.
In goes some snake. In goes
The,
I don't know.
what is that?
goes some thistle.
Tells the,
In goes some
and the tiger tells the
I don't know.
rhinoceros.
In goes some sheep.
The rhinoceros tells the,
Lion.
and the lion tells the, this is like College Grove.
Oh my gosh. This one's
This is a College Grove gossip line. The giraffe tells the, and the elephant tells the parrot. Uh-oh.
birthday cake.
Ruh-roh.
The giraffe tells the elephant tells the parrot.
Okay.
All I do is just wrap it around like a circle. I just do that so I don't make a mess.
Ain't gonna snow.
And my hands don't get wet so I can put my hands on the
Did you know Grandma was going to be here? Your mommy called me when she was on her way to work.
A red cake. A yellow cake.
We should be good.
A blue cake. A pink cake. A brown cake. A green cake.
Hey, I love green and I love grass. That one is in fall.
What does that say?
Did you push Lizzie's truck the other day all by yourself?
Yes.
Tanner,
Yes.
did you push Lizzie's truck the other day all by yourself? You are so strong. You pushed it a long way too, didn't you? You got big muscles. You're tired. Are you tired? You look tired.
How about you pick this one out?
Guess what?